So that's my way of making steels on a budget. So I got some old files, I showed you how to do them. Now I have a whole bag full, probably about 9 steels now that I can put in sets. I am selling a lot of my own stuff from my bug out bags and personal kit and stuff on eBay. I'll put a link below. But yeah, so I haven't built anything in a while, so I wanted to build something while it's not raining out. So that's what I did. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope it gave you a few ideas. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Thanks guys for watching. I'll catch you next video. Bye.